My name is Florence Straume. I'm a Mary Kay consultant at Tysnes Norway, and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for a lady in the golden, almost the golden age, I almost said, at least 75. I'm going to start out with doing the foundation. We do have to start out with the foundation primer, and this makes the foundation easier to put on. And it keeps your makeup looking good all day. So I'll just use my fingers. I could use the brush, but I'll use that for the foundation. I got a tip from one of the Mary Kay tutorial on YouTube to use the concealer a little round on here, different places, just to help fill in. I'll use my foundation brush to just put that in a little bit, and then we will go over to the foundation. This is Mary Kay Luminous foundation. This one you can also get in matte if you prefer that. So get it well in there, and then we'll go over to I have a powder foundation that I will put on top. I thought that gave a very nice effect. We just put it a little bit in there, and then my brushes here. As you can see by some of the decorations, it's Christmas coming up, so we like to have a little party look today, maybe a little bit more than we usually. And I thought this foundation was very good for like putting in your neck area here, brown it a little bit if you're kind of very fair like I am. And then we do have a translucent powder. It is completely translucent, that's the word. Now I'm going to go over to the eyeshadow, or I should say, I will look at my brows. I did do my brows before I started this, so I'll just brush them up a little bit. So just to start out with, we'll do the lightest colors. The lightest color on the palette I will put above here. And this one is called Biscotti. Do the whole eye with that. To give a good light color under. We've gotten these new eyeshadows with the pink colors. I'm not used to using pink, but I'm going to give it a try. So this one I will put on my eyelid. This pink magic, I guess, with it. We can put a little bit of that light one up on just as a little hint up here. And on the side here, we'll make, with one of the darker ones, we'll just put a little shading in here. We're going to take a little bit of that very light color and just put on the very center of the eye, and then smudge it around a little bit. And now we get to the eyeliner. I just feel along the edge of the eye. Next comes mascara. This is called Love Lash Mascara. Will make your lashes look a little bit longer than they are, since I do not have very long eyelashes. Very good mascara, this one. And then a little bit of blush. Let me see, what did I do with my blush brush? And I'm using something called Orchard today. Goes in the pink tones with the eyeshadow. A little bit more. Since we're going out. And then we come to the lipstick. We do use first eye lip primer. Softens up the lips. And then we use a little bit of lip liner. We have a new lipstick in for the season, and it actually has this sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we will give it a try. And then gloss it up a little bit, of course. And there we have the makeup so far. And now it's time to get the dress. And here I am. We got our jewelry and the dress, and we're all made up, ready for any kind of party through Christmas and any time. Thank you to Mary Kay for all this beautiful makeup and the opportunity I have to use it and to show ladies how to make makeup. And I'll be happy to show any one of you. Just let me know on my Facebook or Instagram or where you find me. Thank you.